cannot feel it until you're here. There's one flying object here. It really scares me. This is Camp Crame, Quezon City, the national headquarters of Philippine National Police in Quezon City. But somehow some people manage to stay outside because of their job. But for most people, they chose to stay inside their room and be safer than them. To be safe here inside, and I'm going to take a look on the other side of the building where I am in right now. Oh, okay, there you go. There you go with the car. There. I cannot go there. I'm going back to the other side because the wind is getting stronger. I did this video just to give the people around the world a glimpse of what's happening here right now. Here in Camp Crame, Quezon City, Philippines. Keep safe always.